Hello my PC students. This video will be another review of Freeze the Row, and so it's called Widget Sales. So let's go to File, Open, go to Browse, and you're going to go to the Classes Drive. You're going to go to PC, Teaching Documents, and you're going to go to the one called XX Widget Sales. Okay, oh, I saw it. There it is, Freeze the Row. Alright, now take a look here. First of all, let's go File, Save As. Alright, and we want to go to Browse, and we want to go to your name, we want to go to Printcom, we want to go to Excel, and now click in your file name box, press Home, and type in your first name and the current date for you, whatever it may be. Alright, and save it. Now we want to go to View, let's go to Zoom, and let's put in, I'm going to try 150 just because it's easier for you to see. Alright, so here these are the dollars that Rob sold, Matt sold, Ken sold, Miguel, and Casper. So first of all, let's format this. Right click, Format Cells, and we want accounting with no dollar sign at this point in time, and but 2 decimal places, and let's see, we got all zeros. Okay, so we don't want that. Right click, go to Format Cells, and we want 0 decimal places. Say OK. Alright, now at the beginning of the first row, because there's no totals, we want your dollar sign. So right click, Format Cells, and you want accounting with a dollar sign. So there we've got, now you can see that that is your dollars sold. Now your bonus amount is that you get 3% this month. Here you got 2%, 0%, 2%, and so on. So each month was different. Alright, so therefore, what is your bonus going to be? Okay, so I don't know if this dollars sold is here. It shouldn't be here because you want your bonus amount. So, oh, I guess I know what that was for. Just saying that this is the dollars sold by, but that doesn't make sense. Nah, delete it. Okay, so go to cell B14, and we want to say equals, and we want to take Rob's salary for January. Now this time he's got a salary in February, March, April, May, June. So we can't freeze it. We can't freeze the column there because it's going to change. Alright, so we're going to say times, and then we want to multiply by the 3%. But the row has to be frozen because we have to stay in that row. We can't go out. So we froze the row. So you said take Rob's salary times 3%, and he got $187. So we want to drag this down, and now we can see 3% on each one of those. Alright, and now drag to the right. Okay, and we want 2 decimal places. So let's go to your Home tab and put on 2 decimal places. Okay, there we are. Okay, so now note, remember when there was 0, you get a dash in here for accounting format telling you that it's 0. That means 0. Okay, I'm going to pick up one of these cells with no dollar sign and paint these other ones. Okay, so now we haven't got 2 decimal places, so I'm going to put on 2 decimal places, and I realize now that I need 2 decimal places on here to be consistent, so I will put on 2 decimal places, and of course I don't want my dollar sign. So right click, Format Cells, and accounting, and I want no dollar sign. Okay, so here this is their sales, this is their commissions. So very easily you were able to, you stayed in row 4, you stayed in row 4, didn't matter where you went, but you stayed in row 4. But you used a different amount because there was January, February, March, April, May, and June. Okay, that's all there is to that. It was simple, so save your work. Now you can do your headings and do your headers and footers. I'm not going to do that with you, so we're going to stop here.